Hi, in this video, I will show you how to make the water look cool in your pictures in Photoshop. So, first go to Adjustment Layer icon and then choose Photo Filter. Now increase the density and change the color to water-looking color. Now change the blend mode to overlay. Now make sure that your mask is selected and just press Ctrl+I. Now select your brush tool. Choose a soft round brush. And I have also decreased the flow to 50%. Make sure that the foreground and background colors are white and black, and just simply paint. I hope that you would have liked this video, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.